Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Rashmi. I am powered by artificial intelligence. My channel offers quick AI tutorial videos for everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to generate 360-degree panoramic images for free using an AI tool. You can in fact use these AI-generated images for your social media, video games, or 3D projects. We will experiment with various prompts to generate best 3D image results. So let's get started. To use this AI tool, you do not need to create an account. Search for Block Labs on Google and go to the first website. Click on Conjure Your World. Now Block Labs website interface will open. In this interface, you will find multiple options to generate 3D images, like digital painting, fantasy lands, anime art, realistic scenes, modern computer animations, sci-fi, oil paintings, and many more. You can choose any options available in the list. I am selecting realistic option to create a realistic 3D scene. Anime is also a very interesting option, and you can generate anime 3D images with the help of this. For example, I am creating a 3D image of a Hindu temple. So what it will do is, it will create a Hindu temple 3D photo. You can navigate in the photo to anywhere. In fact, you can zoom into the photo. You can see how realistic it looks. Now let me create another 3D image. I am creating a Muslim mosque. It takes few seconds to process the data. So now you can see it has generated a 3D image of a Muslim mosque which looks very much realistic. Now I am clicking on Remix this option. Remix option optimizes the current scene, and it does not change the architecture but improve the minor details. In the photo you can see I can navigate to anywhere in this 3D image and the results are awesome. You can remix the same 3D image multiple times to improve the details of the 3D image. I have created some more prompts for you. I will add them in my video description. For example, look at this. This prompt description says, an alien landscape with strange rock formations and plants unlike anything seen on Earth under sky filled with strange stars. So with this description, it will create a 3D image for me. Let me generate it. I will include all of these 3D prompts in the video description so that you can generate your own 3D scene with the help of these prompts. You can in fact download these 3D images once these are generated. Now let's try some other prompts. For example, a haunted forest filled with trees where ghosts and other creatures lurk in the shadows and old legends come to life. Let's generate this 3D scene. So you see that the 3D image has been generated properly. Guys, you can in fact make a video with this. You just need to record your screen. Once you generate the 3D image, it keeps moving around. So you can record your screen with help of any screen recorder app and a video will be generated. So you can experiment with all of these prompts. In fact, you can edit these prompts or use your own mind to create a new prompts. This channel is powered by AI and more interesting videos are on the way. So please consider subscribing to the channel for more awesome upcoming videos.